Destruction following 30 tornadoes. Why do tornadoes occur? The key atmospheric ingredients that lead to tornado potential are instability. When warm, moist air near the ground meets a cooler, dry air aloft and wind shear, which is a change in wind speed and/or direction with height, this causes a tornado. The most destructive tornadoes occur from supercells, which are rotating thunderstorms with a well-defined radar circulation called a mesocyclone. Supercells can also produce damaging hail, severe non-tornadic winds, and frequent lightning, as well as flash floods. Tornado formation is believed to be dictated mainly by things which happen on the storm scale in and around the mesocyclone. Here you can see we have two maps, one showing areas of potential risk and the other showing reported weather types. And you can see that the areas of potential risk and the reported weather type have a clear overlap. As you can see, the red sections are moderate risk for the areas of potential risk. And then on the reported weather types, you can see that there are a lot of tornadoes, windstorms, and hail reports in the areas that align with the areas of potential risk. Tornado Alley. Dry, cool air from Canada and the Rocky Mountains meets humid air from the equator. This makes developed thunderstorms and supercells the perfect place for tornadoes to spawn. Historically, Tornado Alley has been part of the Great Plains region, including West Texas, western and central portions of Oklahoma and Kansas, and most of Nebraska. Emerging research suggests Tornado Alley is creeping into new territories towards a region called Dixie Alley, which includes Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. And this is just a screenshot showing severe storms from March 30th. And you can see that there's high risk in that red area, and then it sort of spreads out and gets lower the further out you go. Here you can see a Category 4 hurricane on March 31st in Clinton, Illinois. On March 31st, 2023, there were a lot of tornado warnings and severe T-storm warnings. As you can see in the map, there were 215 tornado warnings and 417 severe T-storm warnings between March 31st and April 1st of 2023. And a quote from NOAA says that as of the afternoon of April 13th, 30 tornadoes have been confirmed with 11 reported injuries and no known fatalities. The strongest tornado developed southwest of Keota and moved northeast towards Wellman before it finally dissipated far southwest of Johnson County. It was rated EF4 with maximum sustained winds estimated around 170 miles per hour. And some precautions to take if you ever are in the situation where you might be living in a tornado area or a high-risk tornado area. To stay safe during a tornado, prepare and plan a safety emergency kit. Stay aware of weather conditions during thunderstorms. Know the best places to shelter both indoor and outdoor. And always protect yourself from injury, especially your head. Tornadoes continue to impact locations across the country every year, bringing massive winds and destruction of property in their path. Move to the lowest level of interior rooms without windows, like a closet or a bathroom. If you have a basement in your home, this is the best option. And make sure to cover your neck and protect yourself from falling debris. So, is climate change a factor? The frequency of tornadoes has not shown any long-term trends. However, tornado patterns have altered recently. Even though the overall number of tornadoes per year has stayed largely steady, research has indicated that there are fewer days with at least one tornado and more days with over 30. To put it another way, tornado occurrences are grouping much closer together. Here is a screenshot on the left side, which is a shift in Tornado Alley, which is where most of the tornadoes occur. You can see that in 1985 to 2019, highlighted in red, it shifted more towards the east. And from 1950 to 1984, which is in orange, it's more westward. So, again, is climate change a factor? Additionally, there is evidence to support the shift in geographic distribution of tornadoes. While tornado activity has increased in the states of Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Tennessee, and Kentucky, the number of tornadoes in Tornado Alley is starting to decline. Some of these shifts may be related to climate change and just how it affects the jet stream. Others suggest that rising water temperatures may have been correlated with tornado outbreaks. And here are our references. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.